Hi guys, your girl Yummy. Well, today I'm doing something really special. I'm cleaning out my closet and so I figured I'll show you guys what I have in my closet and see if I should get rid of anything. Tell me what you think. Hope you like this.
Here we are. Very exquisite. Very much so exquisite. What we have is Yami posing in her beautiful, very beautiful Cinderella the Castle gown. And as you can see,
This is a Danielle Nicole bag.
now folks, we have a treat coming up for you next. Now, Yami's wearing the Monsters Inc. dress. Let's take focus on the ears. Those were perfectly assembled. It only took us maybe a couple of minutes to get these done, but not much work at all. Breaking news, breaking news. We just had a special request. We had some orders. Apparently, this dress was needed, wanted from everyone from around the world, so we had to basically just cut what we were doing and let everyone see another shot at this dress. So now this one here is a number one in everyone's heart, and we all love them. So y'all need to put your hands together and show some love. Flying in. Uh-oh, here we go. This bird can talk. Aww, she's adorable. And to go with the orange bird dress, you have to have your handy bag. That is just nice. Hey birdie, where you flying off to? Oh, what do I do? What do I do? It's such a beautiful day. I have nowhere to go. Sun is shining. Birds are chirping. Wonderful land. What Yami's wearing today is her designer Dumbo dress. And it's just exquisite. And ladies, let's make sure you have to have your umbrella. Very fancy umbrella. For just in case. Oh no. You never know. Those sun rays may come down and grab you a little bit. Gee, hey Obi, what do you think of all this excitement that's going on? Any words? Anything to say at all? Anything? Anything? Oh, I'm sorry. We didn't know. I swear we didn't know. We won't let it happen again, I swear. Now, folks, don't worry because these dogs don't bite. Aww. Very, 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 very nice. Easy.
I had the special quarantine shoes on.
Those are the best type of quarantine shoes to wear. Okay, let's not get scared, folks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
And a ghost will follow you home. Welcome, foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion.
Oh, no.
There's no turning back now. Ah, there you are. And just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts.
Stores. I'm just kidding. It's not coming to your stores. If you don't have it already, you just won't have it.
I got the last one.
How lucky. Were you so happy when you got it?
I was. I was so very happy.
How happy?
This happy. Yes, you do too. Yes, yes, you and I both happy, happy.
I guess that's a happy time in the city.
Good job, boy. Good job.
And if you want to join the club, the Milky Mouse Club at that. Here's the club to join. Look at the print. It has all your favorites. Is that stitched on there?
Yeah, that's stitched. Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Gee. Now this dress here. This dress definitely can be found, right? I mean, I'm pretty positive.
You might be able to find one, but this was the last one in the closet.
Last one, really?
The last one.
So, let me ask you something then.
Hmm.
Has this dress ever been worn?
Yeah. We wore it that one time. We went to the parks and I
Oh.
had it on.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, there's detail on the back.
Yeah, let's
Let me
see.
see this.
Hey, wait a minute.
Huh?
I was just about to look at this.
What is back there?
Well, it says, it was all started by a mouse, by Walt Disney himself. But then we took a little gander over here and,
What? Is there
There's
something on me?
there's a price tag on there.
Price tag.
Yeah, I thought you wore this before.
Price tag. I don't see no price tag.
Oh my goodness. That price tag.
Yeah. Yeah. It just must not have come off in the wash.
Mm-hmm. May not have come off in a wash. What is those disposable tags now they're making? Just put it in
You
a
know
wash.
how green Disney is. You never know.
Hey, wait a minute. Yammy, turn around. We didn't even notice what you have up there on top of your head there.
Oh.
Aw, isn't that sweet? It's sweet as peaches with plums and bananas and pineapples and fruit drinks and... I'm thirsty right now.
No, after all those juices you called,
Yeah.
you should be. All right, folks. This really is the last dress in the closet. There are no more after this. So this will be the end of our Boo's Fashion Runway. I can pass for a runway model, can
Of course you can.
I? At 5 foot tall?
5 foot.
Yeah. Well, 5'1".
5'1".
Yeah, I'm 5'1".
More like 4'11", folks. 4'11".
You and your 4'11".
4'11".
I'm 5'1". Right, Obi?
You barely taller than Obi.
Yeah, right, Obi?
Yeah, 4'11".
Are you having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Did you enjoy the fashion show?
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Yeah?
Yeah, please, let's do it again. I'm just tickled.
You
I'm
want
just
to
so
be in
tickled.
it more, don't you?
Yeah, next time, I'm gonna put on wild feet.
All right. All right, party boy. All right, party boy. We'll go party. All right. We are off to go party with Obi. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Saying bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, he blew right at you.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.